Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west from Waurika Road towards Rockingham Road. Turning onto Rockingham Road. On the left is St. John's Road. On the right is Johnson Avenue. Also on the right is Johnstown Seventh-day Adventist Church. We are now at Oliver Road, Norman Avenue and Rockington Road intersection. Oliver Road is to the left and right, and we are now going across onto Norman Avenue. Norman Avenue continues right, but we are making the left onto Lucas Road. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.